Hi, I'm Harvey from Answer Lighting, and this is the Foliar Connect range. Foliar Connect is a 24-volt plug-and-play feature lighting range, perfect for gardens. The range includes a spotlight, a mini floodlight, and a pathway spike light, all of which can be linked and controlled via a central hub. Installation is simple, just connect the hub to your power supply, then use the link leads or 2- and 4-way splitters to design a lighting setup that suits your garden's needs. Link leads attach to the hub, allowing you to choose your preferred fittings and connect up to 10 fittings in a single run. You can mix and match spike lights, floodlights and planter spike lights to create your desired lighting effect. The 2- and 4-way splitters let you create separate lighting runs, making it easy to illuminate different areas of your garden. All fittings are plug and play, meaning they can be easily detached and reattached whenever needed. The hub controller allows you to switch all the fittings simultaneously between 3000K and 4000K, while the optional OCTO hub lets you set timers and control your lights remotely via your smartphone.